Want to pass your Salesforce Certified Marketing Cloud Account Engagement Specialist MC-201 exam on your first try? In this video, I'll simplify real exam-style questions, explain how Salesforce's marketing automation really works, and show you how CertsHero's practice tests can fast-track your success. Let's break it down step by step. Think of MC-201 as your badge that proves you can design, build, and automate marketing workflows using account engagement, also known as Pardot. It's built for Salesforce marketers and consultants who want to show they can turn cold leads into warm opportunities, all automatically. And yes, this certification is part of the Salesforce Marketer track. The official exam has 60 scored questions and a passing score of 72%. Here's the breakdown. Lead management, 24%. Email marketing, 20%. Forms and landing pages, 20% engagement studio, 17% administration, 11% visitors and prospects, 8%. Imagine you're managing a digital marketing factory. Visitors are your raw materials, engagement studio is the assembly robot, and reports are your dashboards showing efficiency. Let's look at a common CertsHero question. If a prospect pauses halfway through an engagement studio program and is removed from the suppression list later, what happens? The answer? The program resumes where it left off, not from the start. Think of it like watching Netflix. When you hit pause, it doesn't restart the episode when you come back. Another real-life use case. Your sales managers want to see which companies visit your website every morning. Instead of sending reports manually, enable visitor filters for external IPs and turn on daily visitor activity emails. Boom! Automated insights, no extra work. That's Salesforce automation doing the heavy lifting. You've seen this on many sites. First time you're asked for your name, next time your company name, later your budget. That's progressive profiling in action. In MC-201, you'd use an account engagement form to collect data gradually. Think of it as dating your prospects. You don't ask for everything on the first meeting. Here's a tricky but important concept tested in the exam. Automation rules run continuously. They monitor all prospects and act when conditions are met. Completion. Actions, on the other hand, trigger instantly after a single event like a form submission. In simple terms, automation rules are your always-on security cameras, while completion actions are motion sensors. To master these concepts, use CertsHero's MC-201. Practice questions. 304 updated real-style questions, updated October 2025. Online test engine that feels just like the real exam. Free demo PDF before you buy. Practicing here helps you think like Salesforce, not just memorize answers. Here's your 3-step plan to pass. 1. Learn concepts with Trailhead and Salesforce docs. 2. Practice with CertsHero's MC-201 test engine. 3. Review weak areas using question analytics. Do this for 2 weeks straight and you'll feel exam ready, confident, and calm. Passing MC-201 isn't about luck. It's about understanding the system. Start with CertsHero practice questions, combine them with Trailhead, and watch how your Salesforce marketing skills skyrocket. Subscribe for more real exam breakdowns.